Okay, so welcome to this installation video where we're going to be looking at installing all the software needed to create our own Arduino applications. Now, even if you don't have an Arduino, that's absolutely fine. We're going to be looking at some software which simulates an Arduino for us. So, if you've got an Arduino, great. If you don't have an Arduino, no worries. There's just a little bit. There's another piece of software you're going to have to install. Apart from that, as soon as you get all of this set up, you'll be ready to go. So first of all, what we want is simply to open a new open a new browser. I knew it was one of them, and just go. Could go to that, but just go to Arduino. Go to Home. You could have gone to Software, but hey ho, and Downloads. And now pick whichever one you want. So again, if you're on a Windows machine, go for that one. If you're on a Mac, go for that one. If you're on a Linux machine, go for that one. So I'm on a Linux machine, so I'm going to click Linux 64-bit and just download. Unless you want to provide monies, which is always nice. And OK, and it's downloading. So the installation again, as many installations, the differences between Linux and Windows. The main thing is that you're going to get an installer for Windows. Just click next for all of it and you should be absolutely fine. There might be a little menu that pops up asking for administrative access to one of the ports or something. That's absolutely fine. Just click yes, keep everything default and you'll be absolutely fine. So open it up. So this is what we've got. If you're on a Linux machine anyway. So I like putting things like this into its own applications folder, and we will extract to here. That'll take a second. Now that's not done, has it? Oh, it's nearly done. Yes, so the second piece of software, if you actually, shall I wait? I'll wait. Okay, so this is what we've got. Arduino 1.8.13. I'm going to just copy it out of there, get rid of that now, and go away. And this is what you get if you're on, again, a Linux machine. Go to Open in Terminal, and as always, you can do sudo and install.sh, put in your password, and it's done. Good stuff. So now go to Show Applications, Arduino IDE, and there we go. That's fully installed, so we can now start writing some code. But let's just go to examples, go to basics, go to Blink, and there you go. This is the code that you need for the Blink application. So yeah, that's that. So now we've fully installed it. Again, the only difference between this and a Windows is you'll go through installation wizard, but as I said, keep that exactly the same. Righty, so now you're ready to start some Arduino applications, which is cool. Now, what happens though if you don't have your own Arduino? Well, no worries. What we can do is we can go over to this little website, which I found, and it seems to be pretty good actually. So, yes, very good to the person who developed it. It seems pretty good. So yeah, go to this URL and download Arduino Sim version 2.8.1, which is the most recent one as of this recording. Download that. This is for Windows. I say Windows only. If you are on a Mac or a Linux machine, you can probably run it through Wine or some other Windows emulator. I haven't tried it on Wine, but you're more than welcome to. And I assume that if you have a Linux machine and have Wine, you know how to do that sort of thing. If not, post down in the comments or whatever, or ask in one of the University of Hull Robotics Society workshops, and I'll show you how to do it. So if you've got that downloaded, what you can do then, I've already downloaded it, so I'm going to go to downloads, and it's there. So I'm going to now run this on my Windows 10 virtual machine. So I'm going to Home, I will go to, where is it? Windows 10. I'm just going to paste it in there. There we go. Yeah, one thing to bear in mind is that you're going to have to make sure that you've got like a shared folder selected when you create your Windows 10 virtual machine. So now that's in there, I'm going to go down to my Windows 10 virtual machine. Here we are. Go to Files, go down to Network, VirtualBox, and there we go. I'm going to cut that and paste it. Oh, have I already got it installed? Where is it? Oh yeah, I've already got it installed, so you don't need to do that. Or you do if you don't have it. Anyway, go down, open it up, and go for Applications, and here you are. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to go full screen. There we go. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's not the prettiest simulator, but you know it works, and there aren't that many free Arduino simulators out there, so you know I'm all for it. So what you can do is you can either create your own Arduino applications in the IDE, in the Arduino IDE, and then load them. So load INO, you see here, or PDE. So you can do that, or you can just edit inside here. So you can say edit, and this is the code that you've got. So you know you can get rid of this and get rid of all of this stuff. And you can do a simple blink application, for example. So I don't know, pin mode. Let's go pin. Yeah, let's go pin 13, and let's go with output, obviously. Then go down here, go digital, go to right, and where am I? There we go. 13 high. Digital right. I can't type. 13 low. Wrong one. There we go. There we go. So then you can click compile. Oh, I've made a mistake. I forgot my semicolon. There we go. Compile. Program passed successfully. Accept. Okay, and then you need to go up to run. So F9. And there you go. So now we've got our Arduino Simulator program running, which I think is quite cool, actually. And to an extent, it might actually be easier to do some things like this because you've already got servos, motors, and things like that already installed, so you don't need the hardware. Additionally, you know, if you've got, it could actually be quite a good debugging application, because if you've got some code that you're trying to run on your actual physical Arduino, and it's not working for some reason, you can try it on here, and if it works, then you know that there's a problem with your hardware. So actually, this could be quite a good debugging tool as well. Yeah, so this is how you install it on a Windows 10 machine anyway. Again, Linux or Mac users can use a Windows emulator like Wine or something. Yeah, and give it a try. I haven't had a massive dive into it, but I know you can control things like servos, and you can also see things like the digital waveform of things, which I think is pretty bloody cool as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this tutorial, and yeah, I'll end it there. I just need to get out my Windows 10. There we go.